this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. This morning around 9 o'clock, I was reading some emails. One I received from Token Metrics, which is a service to which I subscribe. I've talked about it before. And there's a lot of analysis and charts and information about a variety of coins. But one thing they suggested towards the bottom of the email was look for coins that are trending up 10%. I thought, interesting. I've sort of dabbled with, catching this kind of wave before, but I'm primarily a dip trader. But I thought, I'll check it out. So let's see how we can do that. I'm going to share my screen and go over to the Trade Finder screener. This is your Trade Finder window, the screener, crypto screener. And it usually defaults to an overview, and it sorts, here's over 700 coins. And it looks like I've got one filter applied already. Let's see what it is. It's probably looks like it's a volume filter. So it looks like by default it goes from 50,000 to 50 million. Let's make that 1 million to 50 million. And then I'm going to type in Binance because that's my day trading. I have to spell exchange correctly. I do my day trading on Binance. I use Coinbase Pro and a few others for longer term trades. But I'm going to add Binance here, and that should weed out any of the other coins that I'm not interested in, and it gets me down to 25 coins. And at the time, I was looking at this around 9 a.m., a coin came up called SAND, S-A-N-D, just like it sounds. So I've got the SAND chart here. This one had been trending up. You can see the big trend here in the wee hours of the morning, dropped, came up again, dropped. It's got a nice trading range here, so this appealed to me. And I thought I was getting towards the end of that range, so I popped in right about here. I was actually a little impatient. I wanted to do my workout this morning right about this time, and so I went ahead and placed my order. I should have waited till after the workout. I could have gotten in right about here. Anyway, so I'm in at this 0.069085 figure, and the coin moves, drops, works its way up, and then here's where it is late in the 4 o'clock hour. Now this concerns me, and here's why. I know between 4 and 5 p.m. Pacific time in the USA, the Asian traders are starting their next day, their next trading day. I've even got this bookmarked website provided to me by my trading friend Connie. And this is finder.com and Crypto Markets Trading Hours Converter. Here, as you can see, Hong Kong, China, Tokyo, Japan, Seoul, South Korea, and Sydney, Australia are all trading right now. So they can, and that's the biggest volume of crypto traders are not in the Western countries, in the USA or in Europe. They're in Asia. So they can push a coin up or bring it down. So at this point, it's nearly 5 o'clock. My coin is popped up and trending down a little bit, and then starting to pop up again. I'm up 7% in 7 hours and 40 minutes. I'm going to take the money and run. So that's what I decided to do. It looks like it has dropped some more, quite a bit. It's fallen off a cliff. So in retrospect, it was a good decision. I really like getting 7% in one day. And you have to look at the market, take in all aspects, all conditions that you're aware of. And I know between 4 and 5 p.m. Pacific time that the Asian traders can wake up and wreck my trades. Nothing against Asian traders, but it's happened many times. So you got to know when to take the money and run. You can see here, I forgot to mention this, I used my Fibonacci a Fibonacci tool that I talked about last night in yesterday's Trade of the Day video down here. Go ahead and check that out if you want to learn more about how to use the Fibonacci extension. So that's Crypto CJ's Trade of the Day. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a good night.